Here is a look at what we've done so far. So I have spackled a few walls. All the walls are up. Behind me, the wall behind me is spackled. The kitchen has been taken down. I took down the cabinets. I need to fix the ceiling. I still have to put sheetrock on this wall, take the cabinets down, sheetrock the back wall, put the cabinets back up 6 inches higher. I still have to add another cabinet where those boxes are. And by the fridge, I'm going to add a pantry. All this has been put up, and given the first spackle, I'm taking a break before I put on the second coat. So many joints. I've already purchased a new table that will work better in that space. I've reconfigured the coffee bar. It's not going to be there anymore. It's going to be here. This bookcase will go down in the basement in the laundry room. So that's pretty much where we are. I did the hallways, the corners, the joints, all the corners, this back wall. I did a portion of this wall for a second coat. I still need to do from here all the way over. I have to add that wall, and I still have to give a second coat to this wall and this wall. So all the flooring is up, all the tiling is up. I've decided I'm just going to put in hardwood flooring throughout, through the hallways, through the entryway, in the kitchen, the dining area, and leave the bedrooms rugged for now. I purchased the do-rock for the fireplace, so the sheetrock's coming down. I'm going to put up the do-rock. Wonder board is a flammable item, just like sheetrock, so I couldn't get Wonder board. It's easier to work with and it's lighter, but it's a flammable. This is a gas, it's almost like turning on your stove. It's a gas fireplace, so we're not that concerned, but if we get like sparks coming up or heat, I don't want to cause a fire.